Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to download and install Gacha Life 2. So let's get into the video. So firstly, if you're planning to download Gacha Life, so what are you going to do? You're going to go Google and search for BlueStacks. So type in BlueStacks and then open up the BlueStacks site. So download BlueStacks first. So when you get to the BlueStacks page here, so what you're going to do, click on download BlueStacks. So once you click on download, so once this has been downloaded, okay, simply run through the installation. Firstly, install BlueStacks. So all right, so now it's going to download and install. So once BlueStack has been downloaded and installed, so what you can do, you can simply in the search bar here search for Gacha Life 2. So search that, just click on it, and then what you're going to do, simply once you've already downloaded BlueStack, simply hit on play Gacha Life 2. Then what this is going to do, this is going to start downloading the downloading the game, and then you just have to install it like how you normally install any softwares on your PC. So that's pretty much it is. So you just have to download BlueStacks, and then from BlueStacks you can search for Gacha Life and then install it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.